What is it? What is that? It is. It's a Rubik's Cube. What's up, guys? My name is Oxzowachi, and welcome to a video. Today we're going to be doing an average of 5 solves, of course, on the Moyu Weilong GTS3M. And the M stands for magnetized, because this has magnets in it. As you can see, the edges are kind of lining up because of the magnets in the pieces. So, let's just get started. I'm going to scramble it. D2, R2, U prime. There we go. Alright. We're going to do inspection. Then we're going to do the solve. Alright, that was alright. 17.003 seconds. Last time I recorded my Rubik's Cube progress, I was averaging in the 30s. Alright, let's do another one. D2, B2, R2, B prime, D prime, B prime, L, D, F, D2, B2, U2, L prime, U2, B2, R2, L, U2, D2, F2. Alright, sorry. Inspection. Nice R perm there. Got 16.743. By the way, my PB currently is 11.702. Got that about a week ago. That was fun. Alright, next solve. On to our third solve out of 5. F2, L2. Oh my god. That could have been a lot faster, but I messed up my H perm there. 16.400, still pretty good. On to our fourth solve. R2, U2, LU. Okay. Nope, don't know that one actually. Thought I did. Alright, still good. 18.224. On to our last solve. Alright, we got a pretty good cross set up for us. Sorry, F2L pair. Not good enough to save you. Oh, G prime. Let's do a U3 instead of a U. Alright, so that was 17.799, making our average of 5 right there, 17.233. Alright, that will be all for today, everybody. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.